Let's examine the facsimile of the Cookbook of Maestro Martino preserved in Riva del Garda. The manuscript, a remarkable witness to a revolution in European cooking, dates from around 1500. The author of its recipes was a certain Martino, celebrated as a master chef. Martino pioneered the use of spices to enhance the flavors of meats and fish, in favor of the flavor-concealing sauces of the Middle Ages. Martino's culinary prowess is evident in his approach to fish. He advocated cooking fish whole, sometimes securing it to a board to prevent it from breaking up during the process. His recipes include a variety of fish, from salmon to eel, showcasing his versatility and mastery in cooking seafood. He also offers advice for preparing shellfish. His stuffed crayfish recipe incorporates raisins, almonds, parsley, and marjoram. Martino elevated the status of root vegetables. He has a recipe for turnips prepared as a dessert. Thin slices of boiled turnips are layered with thin slices of cheese and a sugar and spice mix. All cooked, he says, like a tart. He uses the term ravioli variously, including as a name for the modern pillow-shaped pasta stuffed with meat or vegetables. His so-called Sicilian macaroni, formed by wrapping dough around a stick, resembles modern fusilli. Martino was interested in the presentation of dishes. Despite its cursive writing, Maestro Martino's cookbook is not a casual notes-to-self manuscript. It provides detailed instructions on specific quantities of ingredients, cookware to be used, and timings. It is a proper instructional manual intended to reveal the innovative cuisine of its celebrity chef. The facsimile was published by Nova Carta in 2024.